Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you BIOS setting, boot menu settings and Windows installation process on Gigabyte H310M H2.0 motherboard. After watching this video, you will do it easily. First, you will insert the bootable pen drive. Next, press the power button. Then keep pressing the Del button for BIOS settings. After coming BIOS settings, we will go to System. If we need to change the time and date, I will show you how to change it. So we will go to System and click System Date and click the value, and you have to press the numeric key to change the value. We will press Enter to change the location. Change the value and enter. We will change the time once the date change is complete. For that, we will press down arrow button from keyboard and change the value as before. Once the time and date changed, we will go into BIOS setup. First one is fast boot priority. If you want the pen drive to be detected and Windows installed directly when you start the computer, then select the pen drive in boot option 1. If the pen drive is given in the boot option 1, then after expanding the Windows file and restarting, you will have to remove the pen drive. Otherwise, the computer will restart and automatically detect the pen drive again and causing problems. We will always try to install Windows from boot. In this case, we will select the SSD or hard disk in boot option 1. In this case, no need to remove the pen drive after expanding file and restarting the computer. Here you see storage boot option control, very important part. If you select UEFI from here, then during Windows installation, you will need to select the UEFI bootable pen drive in the boot menu and install Windows. And if you select legacy from here, then during Windows installation, you will need to select the only name of pen drive in the boot menu and install Windows. Since this motherboard has UEFI mode, we will select UEFI. We will press F10 to save the BIOS setup. Now we will install Windows from boot menu. After starting computer, we will press F12 again and again. After coming boot option, we will select UEFI pen drive from here. We will select this one and enter. Next, install now. Check mark. Next, install Windows, and we will create partition. We will create only C drive and we will select it and install Windows. After installing Windows, we will create partition from disk management. Yes. Again, yes. Don't have internet. Limited internet connection. Put a username and OK. No need to set password. We will finish look like this, and we will create partition from manage. We will go disk management, and this one we will create two partition. For that, we will divide two part. And at the end of this video, like, comment, share. If this video was useful, please hit the subscribe button.